Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy.
How do you say this? It's cold outside. It's very warm inside the room. 外面很冷，房间里很热。很好。How do you connect these together and say, it's very cold outside, but it's very warm inside the room? If you can say but, then your logic will be more clear. The word for but is 但是。但是。外面很冷，但是房间里很热。外面很冷，但是房间里很热。You can also make it more explicit by adding the word 虽然 meaning although. 虽然外面很冷，但是房间里很热。虽然外面很冷，但是房间里很热。Let's look at one more example. How do you say Chinese characters are hard? I like writing Chinese characters. 汉字很难，我很喜欢写汉字。Connecting the two together with 虽然但是，虽然汉字很难，但是我很喜欢写汉字。Although Chinese characters are hard, I like writing them. 虽然汉字很难，但是我很喜欢写汉字。This is our subliminal message to get you writing more Chinese characters. How do you say this? It's sunny. It's cold. 是晴天，很冷。And connecting the two together, 虽然是晴天，但是很冷。Even though it's sunny, it's cold. 虽然是晴天，但是很冷。We heard that you went to China. Do you still want to go again? 听说你去过中国，还想去吗？ And B answers, 我虽然去过好几次，但是还想再去玩玩。Although I've been there a few times, I still want to go there and have some more fun. 我虽然去过好几次，但是还想 still want to 再去玩玩。And that's everything. You can review the material from your textbook under Lesson 14, Notes number 2.
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.